If you spend a lot of time on the road, a good dashcam can make all the difference. Whether it's to protect yourself in case of an accident, record evidence, or simply keep an eye on your vehicle, choosing the right model is essential. In this video, we're going to look at the best car dashcams for 2025. The ones that offer the best image quality, smart features, and real value for money. Stay with me because the right dashcam can save you from a lot of trouble. As always, I've left the links to all the products in the description. Without further ado, let's start the ranking. Number 3. Red Tiger Dashcam F7N. We're starting our ranking with the Red Tiger Dashcam F7N, a dashboard camera that combines performance, simplicity, and affordability. This dashcam is perfect for anyone looking to protect their vehicle in case of an accident or damage, whether on the road or while parked. In the box, you'll find the front camera, the rear camera, a windshield suction mount, a 12 volts power cable with an integrated USB-A port, a user manual, a trim removal tool, static window stickers, an anti-glare filter, a cleaning cloth, double-sided adhesive tape, and a hardwiring kit to activate parking mode. With this kit, the camera can stay active even when the engine is off, allowing your car to be monitored at all times. This dashcam offers excellent image quality thanks to its 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera, covering a 170 degrees field of view at the front and 140 degrees at the rear. It also features Starvis 2 technology, known for strong low-light performance, as well as night vision, ensuring clear recordings even in the dark. It includes a touchscreen, voice control with 10 different commands, built-in GPS, and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. You can easily review your footage and adjust the camera settings to your needs. It supports motion detection, includes a G sensor, and even offers fatigue alerts for long journeys. The included 128GB SD card ensures you can store hours of footage without worrying about running out of space. Installation is quick and straightforward. The camera plugs into the 12 volts car socket, the cables can be tucked neatly under the trim, and the anti-glare filter ensures clear images without reflections. You can also install the hard wiring kit for a fully functional parking mode connected directly to your fuse box. In summary, the Red Tiger Dashcam F7N is a complete and well-rounded solution for anyone who wants to record their trips in high quality with advanced features and great value for money. Whether for safety, insurance purposes, or peace of mind, it's a smart choice to protect your vehicle every day. Number 2. Rove R2. In our selection of the best dashcams for cars, the Rove R2 clearly stands out. This dual-camera dashcam is designed for those who want professional quality footage while keeping their vehicle protected day and night. The front camera uses an IMX678 Starvis 2 sensor, delivering true 4K recording at 30 frames per second with a 150 degrees field of view. The rear camera records in 2K at 30 frames per second with a 140 degrees angle, also using the Starvis 2 sensor to reduce glare and capture sharp footage even in challenging conditions. Whether you need to read license plates or secure your car while parked, the image quality is excellent. The Rove R2 is also very convenient. It features dual-band Wi-Fi 6 for fast video transfers to your smartphone, a parking mode when hardwired to the vehicle, and a 3-inch IPS touchscreen for easy navigation through the settings. It comes with all the necessary accessories: rear camera cable, a sturdy suction mount, a CPL filter to reduce reflections, a 128GB MSDRO card, and even clips and cleaning wipes for a tidy and clean installation. Installation is straightforward. The suction mount attaches quickly to the windshield, the cables hide easily under the trim, and the dashcam powers on automatically when the engine starts. You can adjust the resolution, activate the G sensor to protect important clips, and enable HDR for optimal rendering both day and night. In summary, the Rove R2 combines video quality, reliability, and advanced features, making it an outstanding choice for anyone seeking top protection and sharp footage in their car. In our ranking, it stands as one of the most complete models, right after the Red Tiger and just before the Viofo, offering an excellent balance between performance and price. Number 1. Viofo A329S. In first place, we have the Viofo, which stands out with its innovative design. It combines a 4K front camera with a 2K fisheye interior camera, providing full 360 degrees coverage inside and around the vehicle. It's an ideal solution for drivers who want to capture everything happening both outside and inside the car, with detail and reliability. The front camera records in 4K at 30 frames per second, with a wide-angle lens capable of capturing all essential details, such as license plates and road signs. Inside, the 2K fisheye camera can operate in ultra-wide mode for maximum coverage or in standard mode for a more natural-looking image. This interior camera also supports HDR, balancing brightness between the dock cabin and bright exterior, ensuring clear footage both day and night. It retains the simplicity and reliability that Viofo is known for. Installation is easy thanks to the included mounts, and the system can be hardwired for continuous power to enable parking mode, providing protection even when the car is parked. The interior camera includes infrared LEDs for nighttime recording, offering sharp visibility inside the cabin and along the sides. Compared to older models, this version corrects the limitations of the A229 Pro, offering better side coverage and more efficient HDR balancing. While some features of the interior camera may require future firmware adjustments, the overall experience remains excellent, especially for those seeking a complete 3-camera solution without adding multiple devices. In summary, the Viofo A329S delivers high-quality footage, full coverage, and advanced features, making it a top choice for demanding drivers. In our ranking, it stands out as a premium option for anyone who wants full, reliable surveillance with the perfect balance of innovation, performance, and safety. There you have it, a clear overview of the best car dashcams, and I hope this selection helps you make the right choice. As always, you'll find all the product links in the description if you want to compare prices or learn more about each model. Thanks for watching, drive safely, and I'll see you very soon for another tech video.